Welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Jack. This is Gas Diesel Garage, and in today's episode, it's going to be a little different. We're going to a classic car show, so stay tuned.
With spokes, that's all.
Oh.
So I've got this set of wheels, and then I got the, I guess what you say, traditional type, which are basically a regular solid wheel, which has got a dog dish hubcap.
Yeah.
And but they all bolt on the same way. They're all the same.
Because I was looking. That's why I was looking in between the hubcap and the rim. I was like, okay, yeah. So the spinner comes off.
Yeah,
the spinner comes off first, and then you take the lug.
No. The spinner's just held on by Allen bolts.
Oh, okay.
It's just for looks.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
You can basically take them on and put them off without removing the spinners, but it is a pain because you can't get in there. It's very tight as it is.
Yeah.
You got to use a thin wall socket to get in there. So,
oh yeah, absolutely.
but on the regular wheels, see these are like American cars, like got essentially studs that come out.
Yeah.
You just bolt them on. Okay. The original wheels, the traditional wheels, you have to take the studs out because they're bolted on. You got regular bolts and they go through the hole of the bolt. So anyway, that's really the only difference.
Really? Shoot. It's a beautiful car, well preserved, man. Yes, sir. Yeah. What's retail on it now? Now that you
no clue, no idea. When I put the historical plates on it, that was about 5 years ago, I guess. I went to the insurance company and I said, look, I'm going to put historic plates on my car now. And so there's a limited amount of time, a limited amount of miles you can drive every year. Right. And you can only drive to shows and get it fixed and stuff like that. So you ought to give me a discount in my insurance premium. And they said, oh yeah, we do. As a matter of fact, you got a historic, but you got to get it appraised. How do I do that? Well, I got to go get some Mercedes experts. Got to come and do that.
Exactly.
So they said, no. We've done an appraiser.
Yeah.
And you fill out this form, and I filled the form out, and they wanted, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 different photos of different corners and all this other stuff.
Yeah.
Then they came back and they wanted some more information. They wanted some more photographs and that sort of thing. So anyway, the whole idea here is, don't forget, they want to know how much to charge you for a premium.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's an insurance company. You know?
Hey, in the state of Virginia, property taxes are mud, man.
So anyway, so when they came back, with their appraiser. He came back at $120,000. So I said, it sounds all right to me. I don't really know, So nobody. People will come up to me and offer me money for it, but usually it's half that, 3/4 of that, and something like that. So, and I'm not really interested in selling.
Right. I mean, if that's the case, this would be a good candidate for Barrett Jackson. Seriously,
Yeah,
I mean, it probably would. But then again, Barrett Jackson probably takes a big cut anyways.
Anything about that.
So yeah. But great talking to you, man.
Okay,
Thank you.
Carburetors or anything on this. It's all mechanical fuel injection.
That's insane.
And this is like, but there's no computer. There was no computers these days, so it's all mechanical.
That's the reason why I went back to working on diesels. I work on diesels, at Gas Diesel Garage, but because, man, it seems like you got to be an IT person working in the dealerships these days. I mean, everything's all computers and electronics, man. I mean, just simple. I mean, just simple.
On this car, there's nothing like, well, I want to go a little bit faster. I want to get a little better gas mileage, so I'll put a different chip in it.
Yeah.
No, there's nothing like that here. There's not at all. You
Man.
don't do that. This is all hooked up together, and like I said, it runs by chains and gears and all this other stuff. So.
Yeah, it's so clean. It's so clean.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Because at home right now I have a Mercedes diesel engine that I'm not sure exactly what I want to put it in, but I'm going to put it in something because, I mean, you can actually pump a lot of horsepower out of that mechanically driven diesel engine, It's an OM 606 3-liter 6-cylinder, and
I know that's the class in the Unimog, right?
That's right. That's exactly right. And I want to save that to put it in something, I scrapped the body and stuff, the body wasn't worth anything, but I want to do something like that. I'd love to put like a 5-speed in it or something like that, you know, but I have to make adapters and all that good stuff. So, but yes, sir. Look, check. I can't get over it. It's such a beautiful car.
The cam, bigger injectors, all kinds of stuff.
You said 1,100 horsepower?
Yeah.
Good God.
909 at the wheel.
My God. Big old super.
I guess
Listen to this.
This gentleman wants to hear this.
Let's see what 1,100 horsepower sounds like.
Have cats on hand for when people don't show up for their appointments.
Oh,
So, yeah. So I don't have to go to another location to pick up cats to go to the clinic.
I had that happen to me a
I
couple
got.
weeks ago.
Hey.
Well, you know what happened
Oh wait, we got one more we gotta look at. And that is a Volkswagen Carmen Gear. It's mid-engine. Would you classify it as a supercar? Probably not, but they are fun. Come check it out. It's already got a lowered. Check out the steering. I'm sorry, check out the stick shift. I would have went with an 8-ball. That's just me. But look at that. And the engine's in the back. Guys, we gotta build that Fiero with the engine in the back. And I will be at this car show once more with mine. Yeah.